Hey guys, welcome back. So the beds are all filled for the hugelkultur method. In the back of the garden, we use a lot of our topsoil, but we didn't use it all. So today's video, we're gonna finish moving the soil. We're gonna clean up the parking slab so it's usable again. We picked up a couple plants from Stein, so we're gonna get that in the ground. And then our final touch to the front garden is going to be our solar lights. I'll explain all of that, our placement, our reasoning for placement, and just show you how it all turns out. So we have a lot of work ahead of us, so let's get started. First replacement for the PeeGee hydrangea is going to be a Ninebark. This one's called Summer Wine, which has dark foliage and pink flowers that gets in late spring. It gets to be about 5 to 8 feet tall and wide, needs full sun, and is good in hardiness zones 3 through 7. It has a border on the east side of our garden just to protect our shade garden from getting too much sun in the morning. Is that for me? Thank you. Bye. To replace the second hydrangea, we picked up a Prairie Fire Dogwood, which offers year-round interest with a bright golden green foliage in spring, which fades into a soft yellow in summer. It gets these creamy white flowers in the springtime, and then they soon develop into white berries. And then once we hit fall, the leaves start to turn a brilliant red color, and our stems start to turn an orangish red color, which take us into winter. At maturity, they hit about 5 to 7 feet tall, averaging about 25 inches a year, with a hardiness zone of 2 through 7. And just like the Ninebark, we'll use it to protect our shade garden. Now we have our spotlights. These are Hampton Bay solar spotlights that we picked up from Home Depot. I'll leave a link for that in the description. Now we picked these up last year. They are 55 lumens of warm white light. About these is because they're solar lights, they're really simple to use. You simply put them in an area that's going to get enough sunlight to fully charge the battery. And they've built them to withstand the outdoor elements. While the lights are charging, it's time to reclaim our parking slab and clean it up. Of near 40, only 2 don't work. Alright guys, so that is it. We got it all done. We got our parking slab back. We got new plants in the ground that are going to take the place of the hydrangeas. We have our spotlights up in the back, which are perfect, and the ones in the front are almost done. We have the garden bed all set up for the front, and its spotlights are spotlighting all the plants that we want to have lit up at night, kind of just show them so they all look good. And the rest of them, we picked up another 15 that we're going to be strategically placing about the yard, which I'll show you if you follow us along on Facebook and Instagram. I'll be posting pictures and videos there of where we're placing them and show you what it looks like at night. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.